Hello all, my name is Kevin and welcome to Altitude Drone. Today I'm flying the Avata 360 in the forest.
The ground is getting smaller every second. The heavy dust is falling far behind. I'm leaving all the questions that I carry to see what kind of world I'm gonna find. I'm rising up to touch the sky. I was born to fly. I was born to fly. I'm rising up to touch the sky. My lungs are breathing in the thin forest air. The weight of everything is finally gone. I found the strength I didn't know was waiting to keep me moving through the early dawn. I'm rising up to touch the sky. I was born to fly. I was born to fly. I'm rising up to touch the sky. They told me I should stay right where I started. They said the wind would only pull me down, but there's a wide and open path above me, far away from any crowded town. I'm rising up to touch the sky. I was born to fly. I was born to fly. I'm rising up to touch the sky. They told me the noise is loud inside the cage. I've seen the dark on every page, but I was built with steady hands to meet the world and its demands. I was born for this. They tried to break me down. I was born for this. I'm never hitting the ground. I'll never